Dr. Jong Tnat Jngohkai Pyrthei uba Cyril D. Diengdo ula pelaj yakakot kabakerteng mandatory poison and other Shillong things. Balatho dai Professor Bikika Lalu Tariang hanong ba Shillong. I Professor Tariang ide Jngohkai Jong Tnat Library and Information Science haka school ba Northeastern Hill University Shillong. Haka juk kapor la penong ru ya kejing pen inam ya kidur balasyon da ikong Tariang.
And yet when we read this book, many of the Shillong things in this book, we laugh and we smile and we know how honest it is because we can relate to that book. That is the beauty of this book, that you can relate to it as a reader.
There's a travel guide, and for people who haven't been to Shillong and who have been to Shillong, also this is purely a personal, interpretation of things I've lived. I've lived these aspects in my life in Shillong, and it covers various aspects of Shillong.
KHASI Men's